Today we'll talk about how can you disable marketing notifications on your Vizio app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Vizio app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on account down here, and just click here on account. It's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, just click on notifications here, then it's going to take you to this here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to marketing, just click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's going to mean marketing notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.